Oxford of the East, the Queen of the Deccan, the city of universities. Riding down Pune's roads can make you feel like you're flying. Nestled amidst the lush hills of Pune's Munshi area lies a management school that believes it can provide the right amount of gust wind beneath its students' wings. To our sponsored feature, Shining Bee Schools of India. I'm Reena Bhardwaj and today I'm at the International School of Business and Media in Pune. Let's take a look at what this Bee School has to offer. An infrastructure fit for a long ride. A faculty to steer the students into the right direction. A curriculum that builds a drive in its students to never slow down. And just like the different gears in a motorbike, in a Bee School, it all needs to work in tandem. The Institute aims to create a world-class education system by not just brushing the professional skills, but also fostering a sense of responsibility and ethics. And what better way than an exercise called Shaping the Future!
Now you're in a circle. I want you to form a perfect square.
The line should be straight. Pull the rope. And everyone, your rope should touch your stomach. Everyone.
To get a dream job, you typically need a repertoire of technical skills. A dentist needs to know how to fill in cavities. A management student needs to know how to run the corporate world. So which dentist do you opt for? The one who smiles at you and answers all your questions, or the other who treats you like just another number? Have you heard of soft skills or personal reorientation? Well, let the expert explain.
Because I don't like you with him. I'll tell you what the task is. You will run from here to this. So here all are fine. Over there, I'll accept only as many as will fit in the circle. Are you ready to start?
So not many Bee schools actually have a personal reorientation module, and that is such an innovative one. So what is personal reorientation and why so much of an emphasis is given on campus here?
When you look at executive talent, there are multiple things that you need to learn, which you don't grow up in the process of learning. One, learning to push yourself, or rethinking your attitude towards life.
What is the vision that you see? Where do you see these students going and probably entering the corporate world? Where do you see every student who passes out of ISBN M? Where do you see them going?
I would expect them, most of them, to make a great career, big career. You look at our alumni list, 5 years, 7 years, 8 years. They compete with the best in the world. You need to learn to work your way. You need to push yourself, you need to strive and compete. If you don't learn it all, and you don't grow up, then degree is a mere piece of paper. It doesn't take you anywhere. And if you look at ISBM alumnus, they're all over the globe.
So if you need to be in this institute, you need to get out of your comfort zone and go and rediscover yourself to enter that mean corporate world. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Most welcome.
The day begins early and ends late at ISBNM. Every hour is a rush hour at the campus. Highly demanding classroom learning, an empowered environment, a diverse curriculum, and a self-inculcated drive. It's an intense regime for a smooth transition into a highly competitive professional world. But break the banta hai, boss. what better way to break the day with a hot cup of cutting chai and of course vada pav. That's like the staple diet for every student on campus here. Now you've had a very long day and probably a longer day to go ahead. So what's the day like for every student here on campus?
At ISBM, basically the day is like a moving car. You have to fuel yourself whenever you get it empty. So there is no particular waking up time. You have to run, work hard for your academic marks, even for the activities. We learn to be more disciplined over here. And sometimes we have to work even for late nights till 4 or 5 in the morning, and again get back to the classes at 5.
So what kind of companies really come on campus, and where do you see your students being placed in the corporate world?
Placement Assistance Cell mainly ensures upon getting good and efficient as well as the best of the placements around the globe for all the students. We have an illustrious alumni working all around the globe that even helps us to, get students placed in, as well as there are a lot of companies that are, they visit IIMs as well, and they also visit our campus.
There's a list of topmost 100 companies which is enlisted by CNN Money every year, and we enlisted top 20 companies out of these, and you'll be surprised to know that out of these 20 companies, 60% of the top 10 companies have an ISBNM alumnus working in them in good management level positions. So I think that gives a hint for an institution that's only 13 years old, what does the future hold for it?
And my last question is for you. Where do you see yourself once you're out of this campus, and what's life going to be for you beyond this institute?
I know somewhere down the lane, 2 or 3 years, I'll be owning my own advertising agency, and ISBM has given me everything to fulfill my objectives and my goals in future.
So clearly, each one's dreams have been kick-started on campus here, and they all believe in the journey and not the destination. Thank you so much for talking to us. One alumna who has discovered herself at the ISBNM campus is Jyoti Bala.
यादें तो बहुत सारी जुड़ी है ISBNM से, वो चाहे आप क्लासेस बंक करना कहिए या फिर फ्रेंड्स के साथ पार्टी करना, बिकॉज ISBNM सिर्फ स्टडीज पे कंसंट्रेट नहीं करता. इट्स लाइक एजुकेशन विद फन. मैं शायद कभी किसी से बात भी नहीं कर पाती थी पहले, पर हाँ ISBM में आने के बाद यहाँ 2 साल पूरा स्पेंड किया मैंने. 2 साल में पूरा मेरा मेकओवर हुआ एक तरह से, which has made me a very better professional what I am today. मैं उस बैकग्राउंड से आती हूँ जहाँ पे लोगों की मेंटालिटी यही है कि लड़कियों को पढ़ाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. My father was a shoemaker. He couldn't afford even education. But करना है, मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है, आगे बढ़ना है, करके इंडिपेंडेंट होना है. So that's how ISBNM came into picture. They gave me this scholarship. They supported me throughout my entire career out here. I got Edelweiss through campus placement at ISBNM. Post that 6 years at Edelweiss has molded me into a better professional, which actually led me to JM Financial as Assistant Vice President Risk Management, and that is where I'm currently working.
A good leader is about balance, judgment, and of course good timing. And this rule even applies to a good rider and of course a good anchor too. Well, that's my cue to take your lead. But let's just take a look at how the students of ISBNM love to unwind.